Hi everyone, my name is Keith, Armor Tech and Sales Support, and in this short video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your blue Kaivac machine from an Armor 2 to an Armor 4. Now the things that you're going to have is your Armor 4 device with your IMEI stickers and 3M tape in the bag. You're going to have your OEM 5-wire harness, and then you're going to have 4 3-way Wago clips to make this job a snap. Let's get going. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is check with management when you get on site. Let them know what you're there to do. Next, locate the machine, which is usually in the back somewhere. Make sure that your clean water tank and your dirty water tank are empty. Then what you want to do is go ahead and check your battery for power. Note that the green machine has the same battery and the same charger if you need to swap them out to do this task. Okay, so now what we need to do is gain access to your armor device inside the black box. What you want to do is go ahead and remove the battery. And now we need to remove this top hose here, your pressure hose if there's on one. Then what you need to do is remove these top 2 thumb screws, just the left and right top ones, and the 2 Phillips head screws right here in the middle, and that will drop your black box. So now that we've dropped the black box, what we want to do is remove this black plastic covering. Okay, now that we've got the plastic cover off, what we want to do is locate the 2 components for your Armor 2 that are no longer needed for the upgrade Armor 4. You have a step down here, which is usually located between the back motor and the pump, and it is double-sided taped way down in here. Now there is another step down that is usually up closer to the armor device, and that is for your Kai tutor. Then you want to locate this Y box here, and we're going to cut these wires later on, and we're going to remove both of these components. Okay, now we're going to establish power to your Armor 4 device using the 36-volt wires that were going into your step down that we took out. What we're going to do is hook up your ground wire to the black wire and your 3-way Wago. Now use the green, which is ground in this harness, but it could be black in our other harness, to the 3-way Wago. Now let's do the positive side. Same thing. Put your orange wire or the wire with the fuse, which could be red as well, and add those to your 3-way Wago just like that. So now that we've established power to our Armor 4 device, what we're going to do is measure the motors independently. So find that Y box that we had, snip it off where the 2 wires come out just like this. Now find the red wire that goes to the positive side of the vac, which is marked with red tape here. And we're going to take our 3-way Wago, put her in there. Now depending on what wiring harness you have, you're either going to have a red wire that goes to it, or you're going to have a white wire that goes inside this Wago. Now let's move over to the pump. Same thing. Find the red wire that goes to the pump, use your 3-way Wago, hook it up just like that. Now on both standard and this wiring harness, your color is going to be yellow. Just like that. Okay, so now what we're going to do is hook up power to our Armor 4 device. But first, take your battery and install it back into the machine. Now, take your IP67 harness and plug it into your Armor 4 device. So now what you're going to see for power-wise is green and red flashing lights. Green fast means it's searching for connectivity, and green slow means it is connected to cellular connectivity. Red fast means it's searching for GPS. Red slow means it's found a GPS signal. Okay, now what we're going to do is mount your Armor 4 device. So, using the 3M tape provided to you, with the label side up, go ahead and stick that Armor 4 device right on top of your old Armor 2 device, if you didn't already take it out. Then what we're going to do is take our IMEI stickers that are also provided to you. There are 3. One is going to go on the back of the battery compartment right here. One is going to go down here on the bottom underneath the vac motor. And then one we're going to put on the side next to the serial number plate, which is by the battery as well. So now that we've got everything nice and neat and mounted just the way we want it, we're going to put everything back together and then we're going to test it. Now that we've got everything put back together, what we're going to do is test the device for connectivity, utilization, and data transfer from the last 4 hours. Very simple. Go ahead and hit that back motor for about 2 minutes. Using your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, visit check.armor.io, type in your 15-digit IMEI number. Now click Check Device. Now you will see device has cellular connectivity, device has reported data within the last 4 hours, and has reported utilization in the last 4 hours. Now remember to take a picture of your serial number plate and your IMEI and send that information to support@armordata.com so that we can properly tie that IMEI to this machine. And there you go. You have successfully upgraded your blue Kaivac from an Armor 2 to an Armor 4. Now remember, hit that like button and subscribe for all upcoming videos. Take care, guys, and thanks for watching.